गणित गुरु या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आपले सहर्ष स्वागत. चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा. Hello, today we are going to see information about class 8 subjects maths, chapter number 2, parallel lines and transversal. So let's start today's video. Parallel lines. The lines in the same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. In given figure, line L and line M are parallel lines is written as line L parallel line M. Transversal. We see the definition of transversal. If a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. Due to the transversals, there are two distinct points of intersection, namely M and N. At each of these points, four angles are formed, hence there are 8 angles in all. Each of these angles has one arm on the transversal and the other is on one of the given lines. These angles are grouped in different pairs of angles. Let's study the pairs. Thanks for watching.